Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Asma's kitchen. I am Asma. Today I am gonna share how to make paneer easily at home. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. And I will see you on Sunday with another exotic recipe. Stay tuned. Right, let's get started with the ingredients of paneer. Milk 2 liter, juice of 2 lemons and cotton cloth. Now first, boil the milk on high flame. Milk is boiled now, and I'm gonna add juice of 2 lemons and mix it well while cooking on really low flame for at least 2 to 3 minutes. You can see curd and whey get separated. Now in colander, I put this cotton cloth and drain the curd. As for paneer, we only need curd. Then gather the cloth and tie a knot around gathered curd. Do it all with super care. It is hot and I am trying to make a knot. Knot should be securely tied so that all the whey get drained and we will get paneer when it is completely drained. After making knot, hang it. I am hanging it on tap. Let it dry. I will open knot after an hour. After an hour, I am opening the knot. Look, it is ready. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in description. Give thumbs up if you like this easy way of making paneer. Leave comment below, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe Asma's Kitchen and don't forget to click on bell icon. I surely see you on Sunday with another exotic recipe. Thank you so much for watching.